Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about small storage areas. If you didn't know, Cam and I, my boyfriend, and I and our dog are staying here in my mom's house while our new home construction is being built. So that means that all three of us have crammed into one bedroom, and it has been interesting to say the least. So today I'm going to walk you through the ways in which we have stored our stuff to make this space livable while still keeping it semi-clean for as much as we can. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below any more storage hacks that you may have so that we can implement them while we're still living here. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so when you're dealing with a small space, what you want to do is make sure that you can maximize the space by looking up and down versus left to right. So what you're looking at right now is my closet, and the way that I've implemented this is by using a hanging rod. There is no installation necessary with this, and this has maximized my space by doubling it. It also allows me to keep things much more organized because, as you can see, now I'm categorizing based on the level. So the top level is for all of my tops and the bottoms are for all of my jeans. Here I'm showing you that there is no assembly required. All you are doing is snapping this into place, and it is very sturdy. So this is renter friendly if you're living in an apartment. Honestly, I don't know why this isn't more popular or why I don't hear more about this, but I'm here to tell you that this is an absolute must-have if you have a small closet where you need to maximize space. If you want to pick one of these up for yourselves, just look in the description box below and I'll have the same exact one linked from Amazon. So another thing to keep in mind with small spaces is that every inch counts. So here I'm showing you that my shoes are laid out in an alternating pattern versus having the shoes laying all the same way. And this is so that the shoes can fit snugly together and utilize the space that would otherwise have been left open in between each pair. I really hope that makes sense, but it's just about maximizing your space and making sure that there is no dead space between any of your items. When you are thinking about maximizing your space, take a look at the furniture that you are bringing into the space. It is best to have multifunctional furniture. So here, this is an IKEA bookshelf or bookcase that costs only $50, but I am using it for a multitude of uses here. Each shelf really has its own purpose, and this is a storage unit slash office area slash Louis treat area. So this first shelf is really just housing our books and candy slash chocolate that Louis cannot get near or get a hold of, so they are all the way up at the top. Then on the second one, it's really knickknacks and paper supply, so it's like my nail polishes, the change jar, and copier paper for the printer that is below, and it takes its own shelf since it's pretty massive. But then we have Louis treats, and yes, he is a very spoiled puppy. They are all at the bottom. But the reason that we have these in the room is because my mom will feed all of these treats to him if we don't watch her. When you are storing things, use clear storage totes. So these are just your Sterilite basic containers, but they are clear. And the reason that you want them clear is because you want to be able to see what you actually have inside of the totes. When you have totes that are opaque, so if they are the black ones, the gray ones, whatever color they may be, if you can't see what's inside them, then you'll forget what's in there, and then you'll end up buying more stuff that you bring into your space that may be double of what was already there. This one looks like it's a hot mess, but I promise I know what's in there. It's just things that we may need in the middle of the night, like heartburn medicine or Pepto-Bismol and some extra things of Louis. And also on the top, I have my cleaning supplies that I can readily access. So it's just a good idea to get clear totes versus opaque ones. And finally, when you think there is no more space, that's when you need to go for the hidden storage. So underneath our bed, I actually have a drying rack that I've had for a very long time, but I love the drying rack because I actually dry my bras on it, because that way they don't get deformed in the dryer. But what I do with it is that I hide it underneath the bed so that I can easily access it and keep it out of the way when I'm not using it. I also keep my slippers underneath my nightstand, so that space that would have just been dead space is now housing my slippers. I hope this video that really helped you find ways to maximize the space that you're in. Like I said, it's 3 of us in this room and we've managed to live here peacefully without killing each other over the mess. If you want to see how I clean this room, make sure that you click here and you'll be able to see the clean with me that I did in this room. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below on any video ideas that you may have or any comment that you wish to leave below. I love talking to you guys in the comment section and I always answer back each and every comment. It means so much to me when you do. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you join us here, and that way you can be notified of any videos that I post every single week. So every single week I'll post a video. You'll be notified once you hit subscribe and you hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.